Cocoa butter for stretch marks. Introduction. Cocoa butter is deeply moisturizing and helps improve skin elasticity, making it effective for reducing the appearance of stretch marks. Technique. Massage a generous amount of pure cocoa butter onto areas prone to stretch marks. Leave it on to absorb into the skin. Use daily, ideally after a shower, to help fade stretch marks over time. This treatment hydrates and nourishes the skin, promoting elasticity and reducing the visibility of stretch marks. Chamomile tea for acne. Introduction. Chamomile has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it great for soothing acne-prone skin. Technique. Brew a cup of chamomile tea and let it cool completely. Dip a cotton pad into the tea and apply it to your face or affected areas. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with water. This remedy helps calm irritated skin and reduce breakouts with regular use. Pineapple juice for exfoliating feet. Introduction. Pineapple contains natural enzymes that help exfoliate dead skin and soften rough patches on your feet. Technique. Soak your feet in a bowl of pineapple juice for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently scrub your feet with a pumice stone or foot file. Rinse off and follow up with a moisturizer. This treatment removes dead skin, leaving your feet soft and smooth. Castor oil for longer lashes. Introduction. Castor oil is rich in nutrients that promote hair growth, making it a popular remedy for achieving longer, thicker lashes. Technique. Dip a clean mascara wand or cotton swab into castor oil. Apply the oil to your lashes before bed, focusing on the roots. Leave it on overnight and rinse off in the morning. With regular use, castor oil helps strengthen and lengthen your eyelashes. Cornstarch as a dry shampoo. Introduction. Cornstarch is an easy and affordable dry shampoo alternative that absorbs excess oil from your scalp, leaving your hair refreshed. Technique. Sprinkle a small amount of cornstarch onto your roots. Let it sit for a minute to absorb the oil. Brush through your hair to distribute and remove the powder. This remedy quickly refreshes your hair between washes and adds volume. Honey and cinnamon mask for acne. Introduction. Cinnamon has powerful antibacterial properties, while honey soothes the skin, making this mask effective for treating acne. Technique. Mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon with 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply the mixture to acne-prone areas or your entire face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This mask helps reduce breakouts and inflammation while calming the skin. Papaya face mask for brightening. Introduction. Papaya contains natural enzymes that exfoliate and brighten the skin, leaving it refreshed and glowing. Technique. Mash a small piece of ripe papaya into a smooth paste. Apply the mask evenly to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water for a brightened complexion. This treatment helps remove dead skin cells and leaves your skin looking revitalized. Sugar and lemon scrub for smooth skin. Introduction. Sugar is a natural exfoliant, while lemon juice helps brighten the skin, making this scrub great for achieving smooth, radiant skin. Technique. Mix 1 tablespoon of sugar with the juice of half a lemon. Gently scrub your face or body in circular motions. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. This exfoliating scrub removes dead skin cells and reveals softer, glowing skin. Egg yolk hair mask for strength. Introduction. Egg yolk is packed with proteins and vitamins that strengthen hair and add shine. Technique. Beat 1 egg yolk and mix it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Apply the mask to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse with shampoo. This mask nourishes and strengthens your hair, reducing breakage and promoting healthy shine. Almond oil for removing makeup. Introduction. Almond oil is gentle on the skin and effectively removes makeup, even waterproof formulas, while providing hydration. Technique. Apply a few drops of almond oil to a cotton pad. Gently wipe away makeup from your face and eyes. Rinse with a gentle cleanser to remove any excess oil. This remedy not only removes makeup, but also nourishes and softens your skin without harsh chemicals.